So I'm going to show you how to set any image or any custom photo as the lock screen wallpaper of your JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds case. So to do that, just go to the app. So the JBL Tour Pro 3s in the JBL Headphones app, just go there and go to the smart charging case settings. Now under that, you can see different wallpapers that you can change to. But at the top of that list is this one. So this one has a little user icon. So you can tap on that and then tap on edit and then choose either to take a photo right now or to choose from album. So tap on that and then I can select my gallery and then I can go into my phone gallery and pick any photo. So for instance, I can pick this one and then align it the way I want and then tap on next. Okay. And then you can see a preview of what that's going to look like and then tap on upload and then wait for that image to be uploaded onto the case. There's going to be a pairing request, so you have to grant that and then just wait for this process to take place. Once it's done, it's going to reboot, and now as you can see, we have a new custom photo in the case of my JBL Tour Pro 3s. Thanks for watching and good luck.